Sa lomdoste, misen kachupa. Kamisem miau? No. Hello friends, today we learn about questions, negation and more complex sentences. Si, no, yes-no questions in Globasa are pretty simple. You have a statement, you yam pingo, you eat apples. And then you add a kam in front of it to make it a yes-no question. Kam you yam pingo? Do you eat apples? Si. Kam you sembuao? No. Unless? Other questions are formed using ke, but we'll learn that later. Misin keto, misin kachupa. First we need to learn some pronouns. We already know me and you, and we is imi. Imi shweshi globasa. We learn globasa. Well, if me is I, and we is imi, you is singular you, and you is plural you, then let's take te, it means he, she. If you look at the pattern, what is they? Ete. Also we have to, it, and correspondingly otto, they for things. A bunch of words. You use te for animals and people and to for things. It's similar to he, she and it. You'd call a table mesa to. Unless it has eyes in the mouth, then you should call it te. Misen kachupa. I'm a turtle. You sen insan. You are a human. Imi sen hewan. We are animals. Kam you okoto. Do you see it? That's a mesa, a table. We call table to and not te because it's a thing and not living. To senketo, it's what? You definitely know that word. It's basically in every language. Tosen, sofa. A sofa or couch. Wow, this is really becoming a proper living room. For mesa, you obviously need a chair. What's the leshi word for chair? Kursi. So here we have a mesa with a kursi, a sofa. What do we need? A teve. Yes, it means television. And for the people who don't like watching teve, we should remember kitabu, book. Let's get a chai, a tea, and Dosho read the kitabu. Miau no glu chai. Cats don't drink tea. Mas mi glu chai, but I drink tea. Negation and saying no works very easily. You just say no. And you put it in front of the word you negate. That gets clearer with sentences with multiple verbs. Maybe you want to say, I like to eat cats, potatoes. Mi suki na yam patato. Another example, mi suki na glu sui. I like to drink water. But maybe you want to say you don't like something, like eating vegetables. Sabzi. Mi no suki na yam sabzi. You could also rephrase it. Mi suki na no yam sabzi. I like to not eat vegetables. Very simple in my opinion. All this talk about food, yam, made me hungry. Yam kal. So let's cook a bit. So, mi no jishi na cookie. I don't know how to cook though. Dai problema, big problem. So we'll cook something easy. We'll make spaghetti with tomato sauce. Spaghetti har tomate sauce. First we will chop kata, onions, cebula. Next we will cook some fake or real meat, maso, with the cebula in a pan using oil, yo. It's very important to use yo oil in a tawa pan. Otherwise it might burn. Then we'll add cut tomatoes, tomate. Imi mixtura to. We mix it a bit and cook it. Imi kokito. Then we add salt, pepper and herbs. Namake, pilpil, herba. Meanwhile we should cook the pasta in a pot, tenjire. Oh, and pasta stays pasta, even in Globasa. We use water with salt, sui har namake, for cooking, obviously. We drain the spaghetti and mix it with the salsa, and if wanted, add some cheese, jubin. Done, fini. Prehay spaghetti hare tomate salsa. Et voila, spaghetti with tomato sauce. Oh, after all that, you might have forgotten how to form a question and to negate. Imagine you are allergic to cebula, onions. How do you ask, are there onions in it? Lacking some words? Hare, to have, cebula, onions, sen, to be, in. You could say, kam to hare cebula, does this have onions? Or, kam cebula sen into, are there onions in it? Also, you could say, kam hai cebula into. Hai basically means there is. Si, cebula sen into, or hai cebula into. But what would you say if there were no onions? Cebula no sen into, no hai cebula into. Great, I think you're now almost set to survive a Globasa Italian restaurant. Next time we learn how to small talk to people and to order food. Weda, see you next time. Am Shwishi Globasa. The added vocabulary is written in the description. I will probably finally add all the vocab to an Anki deck. Also join the Discord server through the link in the description. Kachupa out!